Hi everyone, this is Jason Zach from Nathaniel School of Music. I'm excited to announce a brand new piano accompaniment course called Sing and Play. So all you have to do is head over to the link. You'll get lectures and tutorials including chord charts and MIDI files to play your favorite songs. We've done gospel, we are going to do a lot more. We've done pop, we've done blues, and it's just going to be an ever-growing collection for just one payment. There's no subscription, it's just a one-time payment. And if you'd like to bump it up and get everything that we have ever taught, and practice tools, and meet me for doubt clearing sessions, and join workshops and more, do consider our Everything for Life bundle, which is available on the website as well. It's an exhaustive website. You can see everything about each course, the description, and if you like any of them, do consider picking it up. This is great for those of you who'd like self-paced learning but still with structured courses. So these are structured video courses. You'll have notes for everything, you'll have notation wherever applicable. So looking forward to your participation at these courses, either Sing and Play or Everything for Life. Cheers.